What's up, beautiful people? It's me again, Kevin. So in today's video, we are going to be transforming this bed. As you can see, it's an old wooden bed, and you are going to be transforming it into a modern and luxurious bed. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video so that we can see how we are going to be beautifying this beautiful bed into a modern bed. So let's start this video. So after disassembling the bed, the first thing that you need to know is the measurements of your bed, because this wooden bed usually comes with different measurements, so you have to know the measurements. So you just need to know the height and then the width of the bed. So I'm going to be measuring the height of the headboard and also the width of the headboard so that I can know how long I'm going to adjust to reach at least that average height, which I normally use between 4 feet to 5 feet, because I think that is the standard measurements, between 4 to 5 feet. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to be starting with. So now where you see my hand at this part, that is where I'm going to be raising the headboard to, and I'm going to be showing you how. So as you can see here, I've already raised the headboard. You can see now it's a bit higher. And also I have these two pieces of wood here that I'm going to be using. I'll be attaching them here, but it will make more sense after I'm done with the headboard. You will know their purpose here, but mainly this one is for the design and also to support this new adjustment that I've added here. So because I'm going to be attaching this piece here on this one and also on the original headboard, it will act as support, so you will not need to worry about this adjustment layer if it's strong or not, because using these pieces of wood will make it strong, because you will be joining this one and this one together. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is just attaching these plywoods there to cover this area, and I'll be covering it using the same plywoods, and then after that I will start doing the designing. So let's go to the next step.